the new 16 Pro in Desert Titanium, and all of Apple's new silicone cases for it. Also for all other iPhone 16 models. Today we're showing them in different angles and to get a better idea of it in real life. And then my next video for the white iPhone. Comment below and let me know what you think of these new cases. If this helps, give it a like and subscribe for more. Starting with light green. This evenly with stone gray is actually my favorite for 3 reasons. 1. The phone brings out warmth in the case's color. 2. You get that mid-range contrast of light and dark, and another layer of contrast of cool and warm. Take a look. Denim. Not sure if you could tell, but Apple likes to show the color of the metal between the bezel and the case. It's more obvious in the white iPhone, but here you can kind of see it. Denim's kind of like navy to where it's dark enough to match a lot of things, but I wish it was darker like Storm Gray was, or even Abyss. That way it would match more fits, but as a dark blue, in general, still looks good with this phone. I mean, look at that complement of warm and cool. Ultramarine. Reminded once again that blue can be quite vibrant, and I personally see the most subtle purple undertone, which gives it a nice deep shade, while still dominant as a primary blue. So unique. Still works with desert, but I think it's more uniform with white. Something small I noticed is the buttons aren't a shade darker anymore, which is fine with me. Except for the camera control button, which is a new feature this year. And now, black. Not the darkest black, but since it's a dark color, you can see the metal of the phone more. Since it isn't the darkest shade of black, it does reflect light, so it blends in with the color of this phone a little more. But the contrast isn't so stark, which fans of this color might appreciate. The new Plum. I say new because it's actually not the same Plum from a few years ago. I think it was iPhone 12. But it's alright, it's still nice. It just doesn't match my old Plum watch band. Actually, the later dark cherry matched better. You'll see in a second though that it actually looks really well with this phone. The old Plum was leaning towards a magenta anyway, so this is more of a true purple. So if you like purple, I know you'll love this. Fuschsia. It's like pink, but turned up to high volume. It's a good bold option for desert titanium. Brings out the rosy tones of the phone. Fuschsia next to last season's pink. Starfruit. The brightest color of them all. I'm glad we have a loud, happy yellow this time around. Not warmed down like last year's sunshine, simply a bright yellow to me. Matching with desert titanium though, I don't think is the best, but you get it for the color. Take a look. And finally, the most neutral of them all. Stone gray. Not dark, not light, a midtone. More of a true gray compared to last year's clay color. Check it out. Clay stone gray. Comment which cases you'll get so far, and you can support the channel by buying these from my links in the description. Next, I'll be showing them with my white titanium. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. And thanks for watching.